Understanding snapshot decision, an essential phrase in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, snapshot decision. This phrase is widely used in both formal and informal contexts, and understanding it can significantly enhance your English language skills. Let's dive in and explore what it means, how it's used, and some examples to make it crystal clear. A snapshot decision refers to a decision made quickly and based on a limited amount of information. The word snapshot originally refers to a photograph taken quickly and without much preparation. Similarly, a snapshot decision is made rapidly, often without the time to consider all aspects or gather comprehensive information. It's like taking a quick picture of a situation and deciding based on that limited view. This phrase is commonly used in both business contexts and everyday life. In business, managers might make snapshot decisions when they have to respond swiftly to unexpected situations. In personal life, you might make a snapshot decision when choosing what to eat at a restaurant or how to respond to a sudden invitation. Key point: it's important to note that while these decisions are quick, they aren't always negative or uninformed. Sometimes, a snapshot decision can be based on intuition or previous experience. Let's look at some examples to understand better how this phrase is used. 1. In a business meeting, due to the urgent nature of the issue, we had to make a snapshot decision to resolve the client's complaint immediately. 2. In everyday life, when I saw the last piece of my favorite cake at the bakery, I made a snapshot decision to buy it before anyone else could. These examples show how the phrase is versatile and can be applied in various situations. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a snapshot decision is and how to use it effectively in your conversations. Remember, while making decisions quickly can be necessary, it's always good to have as much information as possible. Stay tuned for more insightful English language learning videos. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.